Acadia's standard infotainment amenities, handsome styling, and more than adequate performance should make it a family favorite. Unfortunately, it's plagued by mediocre fuel economy ratings, poor real-world efficiency, and snug third-row quarters. Whether hauling the kids around town or seeking adventure far from home, the all-new Acadia is a capable but wholly average family crossover. While there's seating for up to 7 passengers, it's substantially smaller than its predecessor and now offers less room for people and cargo. The flip-up third row can accommodate kids, but adults will find it cramped. The cabin offers high-tech amenities such as touch-screen infotainment and 4G LTE connectivity, but it also suffers some refinement issues. Also, despite its trimmer physique, the Acadia's fuel economy is disappointing. What's new for 2017? All new for 2017, the Acadia is now more compact than before. Its wheelbase is shorter by June 4 inches, its overall length shrinks by July 2 inches, and it's 3.5 inches narrower. It's lighter, too, by about 700 pounds, which helps with both efficiency and drivability. GMC has modernized the blocky exterior with some softer edges. The cabin received a reworking that adds a much improved infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, some with improved interior materials, and a classier design. For the first time, the Acadia has a 4-cylinder engine as standard, but a V6 is still available. Standard feature highlights: 3-zone automatic climate control, keyless entry with push-button start, 7.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system, backup camera, leather steering wheel with audio controls, tilting and telescoping steering column. Trims and options we choose. The SLE2 trim serves up the best bang for the buck. For $920, we'd also upgrade to the 8.0-inch touchscreen infotainment display, which adds an 8-speaker Bose sound system and a multicolored information center. We order the strong 310 HP 3.6-liter V6 engine, but we would stick with the front-wheel drive Acadia since all-wheel drive adds $2,000 to the bottom line. Our Acadia is ready for duty at a few bucks more than $38,000. In addition to the standard features, the SLE2 adds an 8-way power driver's seat, heated driver's and front passenger seats, fog lamps, remote start, power liftgate, 18-inch aluminum wheels, second row captain's chairs. While the Acadia performed well on our test track and its powertrain feels responsive on the open road, its fuel economy numbers are simply adequate, and the V6 engine's power